In the first quarter of 2026, ChatGPT reached 900 million weekly users, a 125% increase in a single year. This growth is happening at a scale where most software products historically plateau. But this massive expansion is masking a structural breakdown in the reliability of digital systems. As adoption broadens across every demographic, the basic trustworthiness of the interactions is beginning to erode. Google identified the first AI-assisted zero-day exploit, bypassing two-factor authentication via a script with textbook Python formatting. Unreliability also plagues science. An audit of 111 million references found 146,000 hallucinated citations in 2025 alone, plausible references to papers that do not exist. This ecosystem, where automated accounts generate content for ad revenue and humans unknowingly interact with scripts, is creating a zombie internet. It is an environment where high-speed capability is detached from systemic truth. In the world of software development, this friction is manifesting as a specific economic trap. Teams are adopting AI coding assistants to increase speed, but they are finding that the math of long-term costs is moving against them. The logic is devastating. If an AI tool doubles output, but doubles human maintenance, lifetime costs quadruple. Slop Codebench found this is already happening. AI agent output becomes 2.3 times more verbose of how long sessions, with success rates dropping to 14.8%. This creates a cycle where the short-term boost in features is offset by a long-term maintenance debt. The faster you generate code without decreasing the cost of maintaining it, the faster your infrastructure becomes unaffordable. Despite these mounting costs, McKinsey's latest survey found that only 14% of enterprises deploying AI have a clear strategy with defined goals. Most of them are operating with incomplete plans. Companies are prioritizing raw generation over actual productivity. By building on top of inefficient AI-generated code, they are inadvertently creating a catastrophic debt that threatens their long-term stability. To address this deployment friction, OpenAI recently launched a new consulting company called DeployCo. Backed by $4 billion in initial investment, the company is valued at $10 billion before earning its first dollar of revenue. Its sole purpose is helping Fortune 500 companies figure out how to use the AI tools they are already purchasing. The venture relies on forward-deployed engineers, specialists who physically sit inside client organizations to build custom workflows and manage the integration process by hand. This move signals a significant admission from the creators of ChatGPT. It reveals that software alone cannot solve the complexity of enterprise deployment. It requires manual, human intervention to function in a real-world corporate environment. The friction of enterprise AI is proving so severe that the industry is pivoting back toward professional services. The hands-off, centralized cloud model is currently failing to bridge the gap between AI capability and business value. In response to rising cloud costs and centralization failures, a hardware-led shift is moving AI from massive data centers back to local machines. Manufacturers are now shipping single-slot, fanless GPUs with 32 gigabytes of memory. These cards are built for 24/7 local AI inference, allowing users to run powerful models privately without sending data to a cloud provider. These setups are becoming viable as small models close the gap with larger ones. For example, the Mini CPM v4.6 model packs video understanding into 1 billion parameters, using 19 times fewer tokens than larger competitors, while maintaining useful performance. This efficiency is managed by smart inference routing. Routing tools like Switchcraft analyze a query and send it to the cheapest capable model, cutting costs by 84% while matching larger models. The economics of AI are moving away from brute force cloud monoliths. The emerging standard is defined by localized efficiency and specialized small-scale models. As these models become more autonomous, new software protocols are being built to govern how they act in the real world. This diagram shows a judge layer, a safety barrier between an AI's decision and its execution, separating intent classification, policy checking, and audit logging. Mirroring banking controls, agents get decentralized IDs and wallets with spending limits, proving identity before executing transactions. This rigorous, gated infrastructure is a direct response to the industry's previous period of unmonitored scaling. Data from OpenAI and Shopify suggests the most durable gains come from hybrid workflows, where AI augments human experts rather than replacing them entirely. The focus of the AI field is shifting. The priority is no longer just the creation of faster digital brains, but the engineering of verifiable ecosystems built on trust and human